Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Gitaly 16.11 planning issue. This is the release scheduled to be released in April of 2024. Some capacity notes. The GitLab Summit is coming up next week. This means at the end of the 16.10 release cycle and the beginning of the 16.11 release cycle are slightly less clear than usual because there will be a production change lock. So we're trying to understand exactly what's going to be in the final version 16.10 and what things will shift into 16.11. We do have a pretty firm grasp of 1611, and we do plan on full capacity. So the scope of work may change slightly leading up to that kickoff of the release, but we do believe that the planning we've done here is accurate. Again, I'm going to go through some objectives and themes. I think that worked really well for the team last month, so I'm going to continue to go down the trend of using objectives and themes to plan. One of our major objectives this year is to improve scalability, reliability, and availability. We're working really hard to upstream ref table support to the Git mailing list. We've had some great success, and the ref table changes have been merged to Next for Git version 2.45, which is very exciting. That means that sometime probably in the May timeframe, they will be released as generally available in Git, and we'll be able to utilize them even more within our products. One of the key items we're going to be working on during this milestone is to add tooling to migrate reference backends. And this is a way of migrating to the reference backend from a file backend. And this is really important for our work to allow us to transition to using ref tables where we desire to do so. So we're very excited for that. Another one of our key objectives this quarter and probably throughout the bulk of this year is to improve the reliability and scalability of GitLab.com. Since we are a core component of this, we've been leading the disaster recovery working group, which has had has numerous benefits that have carried over to our self-managed offerings as well. So this has been a very exciting initiative. It's allowing us to be positioned in the best possible manner to satisfy the disaster recovery needs of our customers, and it's driven a lot of really good improvements for our self-managed customers as well. So we're very excited about that. The final major objective that we're seeing right now is to support cloud-native Gitaly. At present, we do not recommend running Gitaly in Kubernetes or any other cloud-native approach, instead preferring virtual machines. This is due to some issues with how Git utilizes memory and CPU and how some of the commands are sort of uh, not predictable in how much memory or CPU they use. We have started a discovery epic. It's been very exciting, where we're actually going through and spinning up a cluster and doing some testing so that we can best scope this work and understand how much work lies ahead of us. We do have the end goal of allowing Gitaly to run in Kubernetes successfully for our customers, as we realize this is a very important piece of architecture that needs to be supported. So right now, we're just really doing an information gathering stage. We're doing some discovery, and we're really understanding exactly how things work right now and where we can improve things. Uh, we do not have a definitive date for general availability of Gitaly in Kubernetes, but this is a wonderful first step forward, and we're very excited about it. As always, I will go ahead and link this planning issue in the bottom of this video. If there's anything people want to discuss, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Mark Wood. I'm the product manager. I'd be happy to talk to anybody who has concerns or questions about our roadmap. As always, you can also leave comments directly in the Gitaly planning issue, and I will respond to them. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day.